I always say, today we are in profit. But because we made more profits last year, we regard ourselves in loss this year. How is it a loss? You're still in profit in terms of dunya. We're like, no, Maulana, last year I made 5 million. This year I only made 4. So I'm in loss of 1 million pounds. Why? Because our mind is all around dunya. We're worrying about seizing opportunities of dunya but not of akhirat. ذهب أهل الدثور بالأجور ذهب أهل الدثور بالأجور. The poor Sahaba came to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and they complaining. Said, "O Prophet of Allah, we have a problem." What is the problem? Said, all those people that can afford to give charity, etc., they have gone. They have stolen all the rewards from us. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, what is the problem? What is the matter? So they said, "Yusalluna kama nusalli wa nasum kama nasum." That they also come to the masjid, we also come to the masjid. In Ramadan they are fasting, we are fasting. وَيَتَصَدَّقُونَ بِفُضُولِ أَمْوَالِهِمْ. But they have an additional opportunity that they can give sadaqah with the extra money that they have. We don't have the money to give sadaqah. So the Prophet ﷺ said, no worries, no problem. Now look at this. The fikr is of akhirat. The fikr is that this person has got more rewards than me. How can I exceed? Today we worried, my neighbor got a better car. No, my car must be better. So he's bought a Merc, I'm going to buy a Porsche. He's bought a Porsche, I'm going to buy a Ferrari. But in terms of akhirat, we're not worried. Maulana, at least I read my Isha Salah. My neighbor, he doesn't even read Isha Salah. We look the other way around in terms of akhirat. In terms of akhirat, we judge our neighbors that they're doing less than us. Say, I'm okay. And in terms of dunya, we judge them, no, they're doing more than us, so I need to do more. At least my daughter is wearing scarf, my neighbor's daughter don't even wear scarf, so I'm okay. This is our attitude towards akhirat, towards our deen. And our attitude towards dunya is, he's renovated his house, so I need to renovate mine. Oh, did you see their kitchen? When you go visit someone, what family members say, did you see their kitchen? Just their kitchen looks like Burj Khalifa. Are you worried about their dunya? And you're competing in dunya? What about the competition of akhirat? And this is the month of competition. This is a month where we should be competing with each other.